Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a burger bowl. It's AIP, which means that it is autoimmune protocol friendly. So if you are following an autoimmune protocol in any of its phases, this is a recipe that you can enjoy. The first step in making this burger bowl is preparing the special sauce that goes with it. And in order to do that, we need mayonnaise. Now, I like to make my own mayonnaise from scratch, and it's not that hard to do. I have all the ingredients here necessary to do so. So, let me tell you what I have. I have white wine vinegar, about 2 teaspoons. I have ground mustard powder. I have pink Himalayan sea salt, fresh squeezed lemon juice, 2 organic eggs, and I have a total of 1.5 cups oil. 3/4 cup is extra virgin olive oil, and the other 3/4 is avocado oil. All right, so I'm going to explain what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you the finished product. I am going to add all of these ingredients to a food processor except the oil. The oil goes in at the end. So I'm going to blend the lemon juice, mustard, Himalayan sea salt, white water vinegar, and the 2 organic eggs. Then I'm going to slowly pour the 1.5 cups oil into the food processor through the top hole while it's running. This is going to emulsify the liquid so that it will be creamy and thick like mayonnaise is. So again, at the end, I'm going to leave the top of the food processor open. I process on high. I'm going to slowly pour that liquid in to the food processor until it's all in there. And that method. All right, so my homemade mayonnaise is ready, and this is what it looks like. It's only just a tad thicker, but I added a little more lemon juice, fresh squeeze, than I should have in my haste, and it's a little more liquidy. For this recipe, it's okay because it's going to get mixed with some red onion and some coconut aminos. I think I spilled some there, but not too much. So my red onions, coconut aminos, and homemade mayonnaise are going to go in the Baby Magic Bullet to be blended up for about 30 seconds. That will make the special sauce that is going to get drizzled over the entire bowl. I'm going to make that sauce and then come back and show you how to assemble the burger bowl. All right, here is the special sauce with the onions, mayo, and coconut aminos. That will be drizzled over the entire bowl later. So to assemble the bowl, here's what we have. I have some salad greens, and I like to use Organic Girl protein greens. It has sweet pea leaves that are mixed together, different varieties of sweet pea leaves, but it's called Protein Greens by Organic Girl, one of my favorite to use. So I've got that already pre-rinsed in a bowl. I'm going to add one of my burgers, well done, to the side of the greens. I cooked the burgers with 2 ingredients. 1, black garlic. I love black garlic because it is richer in antioxidants than white garlic, so I use it whenever I can. And then a spice called umami, U-M-A-M-I. And I have to credit one of my favorite restaurants, True Food Kitchen, with introducing me to umami. So I've got umami and black garlic burgers, beef burgers. All right, that's in my bowl. I'm going to add some sweet potato wedges. So I roasted sweet potatoes on 400 for 30 minutes. I just drizzle with olive oil and salt. If you're going to use a temperature higher than 400, then I recommend that you use an oil like grapeseed or avocado that has a higher heat temperature. It won't smoke, basically. So I'm going to add some sweet potato wedges to my bowl. And you can see how it's coming together nicely. All right, I'm going to also add some chopped radishes. And I'm going to add some sauerkraut, which is great for gut health. I am using plain sauerkraut because I didn't want any of the flavors in the other sauerkrauts to clash with my special burger sauce. By the way, here is what black garlic can look like in a package. I like to get mine from Whole Foods, and the spice that I refer to is umami, and I get the one made by Simply Organic. All right, so I did not slice this avocado ahead of time because I wanted to talk to you about it. This is called a green skin avocado. It's larger than the other avocados that are typically used, and I am experimenting with this avocado. I have heard that green skin avocados are richer in flavor than regular avocados, so we shall see. All right, I'm going to slice this up, add it to my bowl, and then drizzle the sauce. And the pit is getting in the way of my knife. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to slice with the skin on, and then I just take my fingers and remove the flesh of the avocado. I'm going to put that on the side. I think I want a little bit more, so I'm going to slice again around the pit, and then slice and remove the flesh from the skin, or separate the flesh from the skin. All right, so here is what my burger bowl looks like. And now for the special sauce. So I'm going to take my sauce and I'm going to drizzle half of it. I'm going to save the other half for the second serving. The recipe that I referred to serves 2. Voila. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and add a comment. And buen provecho. Thanks for watching.